Okay, this is the Soucolor gel pen set. 60 gel pens with 60 refills. This thing is huge. Look at that. So cool. So many colors. If you have a budding artist or someone that enjoys art, if you like to scrapbook, anything like that. I'm gonna show you. It comes with, I filled in one of them. So you can see this is the glitter fuchsia. Really pretty. So you can fill this all in and then see what colors look like. It gives you a couple coloring pages, and then it also has a set of refills for all the pens, which is awesome. And then you can get more refills if you need them. So let me see. Let's do this one just so I can show you. So this is G32. So G32 is glitter peridot. It's my birthstone. And you can see the glitter in there. Really cool. So definitely recommend. It's such a comprehensive set, and it comes with a nice carrying case so everything stays neat and organized. The Soucolor gel pen set.